It's official, guys. Spring is almost here. I'll take care of you this year. It's so cramped up. Today, we're looking at this guy. Remember near the end of the last season, you put the bike away for storage and you either took the battery out and bring it inside or you hooked it up with a battery tender. No? I know I didn't. So today we're gonna look at the battery. I'm pretty sure it's dead because the season is just around the corner. I'm gonna try to prep the bike as much as I can before the season starts. All right, first thing first, let's gain access to the battery compartment. Turn it into a lock position. It's so cramped up. It's right between the garage door and the car. Okay, got it. Right, the passenger seat is off and I need 2 Allen keys for one bolt here and another one right there to remove the seat. Seat is off. Let's put it over there. The battery's here. Positive, negative. Now what you need to do is take the multimeter out, okay, to test out the voltage. As you can see, my battery is actually pretty healthy. After 5 months, it still has around 13 volt, which means the battery tender will be able to recognize the battery and start charging it, or trickle charging it. But if your battery voltage drops below, say 2 volts, most of the battery tenders won't recognize your battery. So you need something more advanced, say a no-call battery tender to charge it up above 2 volts. Then you use the regular plug and forget type of battery trickle charger. So, but my battery is fine. So all I need to do is install one of these guys. You know, it's a cable. These 2 tabs go on to the battery and this side will be left somewhere near the frame but exposed so you can plug in the battery tender. Okay, now we need to unhook the battery so this thing can go on. And I think it's the 10 mil. Yeah, this should be the 10 mil. No, it's not 10 mil. For fuck's sake. I got an 8. Oh, it's 8. Oh my dear. I was afraid I was gonna break it. Needed some force. Always take the negative off first, okay? So 1 bolt and a 1 spacer. Now the positive side, make sure the negative side is away from the battery. So you don't risk shorting anything or blowing a fuse. Oh my good, no! I lost the spacer. What the fuck? Oh no. Okay, positive first. When you install the battery back or connect the battery back, you need to do the positive side first, just so you don't blow things up. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. You know what? Maybe I should take the battery out first. That might be a good idea. Yep, 100%, 10 of 10. Such a small battery though. Let me get this bolt on first. I just found something. Look at the battery. Oh, the RSV4 thing, you know? Test. It's full. It's kind of neat. It's a little indicator. Pretty cool. All right, the negative side is also on. So I just want to put the battery back in its little cubby and we're done. It's saying, all right, so when I need to charge the bike, when it's in storage, I'll just leave the cable dangling on the side and hook it up with a battery tender. If I don't need it, remove the seat, tuck it back in somewhere on the side, you know? or the passenger seat is on. So let's plug the thing in and it should work. Where can I put it? Don't want to put it on the floor because water gets in from there. Just gonna leave it here temporarily. That's fine, it's a cheap wrap, vinyl wrap on my car, so I don't really mind scratching it or anything. So it's charging. At least now I know when I get the bike ready later this month, the battery is all charged up. Where's my key? Look, my kid gave me this. Pretty cool. Turn the bike off. All right, it's done. I guess I should give you guys a tour of my new garage. It's pretty beaten up, not too much going on. I got this new motorcycle jack, which is pretty cool. Yet to use it. It's called Skyjack, I believe. Should be handy when I need to work on a bike. Yeah, it's so tiny. I literally have to squeeze through. Get to my toolbox. Over there, some ghetto wiring and to clean up. I'm thinking about removing this rack and so I can have more room to have the car either move forward a little bit more, or I can move the car backwards and put the bike over there when it's winter. What do you guys think? Any suggestions for a tiny garage like this? I was even thinking about like a wall mount for the bike so you can raise it up, because you see this part here, ceiling is a bit higher, so maybe I can jack it up or hand it up, you know, so it gives me some extra space to work on my car or other stuff, you know. What do you guys think? Anyways, it's a good chance to say hi to my little buddy here. Okay, God, that groan of a mid-aged man, it's not fun. So I think here, yeah, should release the handbrake so it don't seize up. Oh, these gauges, they still work pretty good, and I think next time when I do a video I will probably do a review of them. I've been thinking about how to answer some of the questions and also figure out a way to see if their measurements are accurate. All right, I think that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.